Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I will show you how to record screen on this device. To get started, pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle for it. For me, screen recording toggle is right over here. So once you find it, tap on it. It will probably ask you for some kind of permissions to storages and stuff like that. So granted, and once you do, you can start recording. As you can see, it automatically starts recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device, minus a couple applications. So for instance, Netflix, if you want to record Netflix, as probably some of you already thought about that one, don't bother. All you're gonna get is sound, but it's gonna be sound with a completely black screen, so no visual to it. And anyway, once you're done, all you need to do is tap on the square right here to stop the recording, and this will save it to your gallery. I can also delete it from here or share it for a brief moment before it disappears. So anyway, let's find our gallery right here and go to, let's see, nope, not what I wanted. There we go. So library, and in here we should have albums. So as you can see, we have screen recording album right here, and in this album you'll find all the screen recordings. Now for me there is several, as you can see, but this is the one that I recorded. So anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.